It's one of the hardest hit parishes in the wake of Hurricane Melissa. St. Elizabeth, where scenes of destruction stretched for miles. Government officials toured the area yesterday, taking in the extent of the damage and pledging full support for recovery efforts. More in this report from Rashida Walker.
Scenes of wreckage and ruin etched into the landscape. The NWA's building stands battered. The historic courthouse bears the marks of Melissa's fury. Even the Black River Hospital, a vital lifeline for residents, is struggling to recover after taking a heavy blow. What's emerging now is a picture of a community forced to start over.
The municipality only exists by virtue of name, but in terms of its administration, Melissa took care of all of that. So the administration of St. Elizabeth, and especially the capital, no longer exists.
The trail of destruction continued well beyond that point.
As the communication starts to trickle in, we're seeing significant damage to buildings, to some boats, unfortunately, tremendous loss of fish pots, and then the beach itself. What would have happened is that the storm surge would have taken a lot of the beach with it. So where our fishermen used to have an expanse that they could park their boats and they could do their business, they now have that challenge.
The fire brigade headquarters in Black River, which we recently spent millions of dollars putting on new addition to the fire station and upgrading, putting in new trucks and giving the firefighters new firefighting equipment. All of that have been wasted away. The market, one of the markets that was rebuilt under this administration, is totally ruined.
It's the kind of ruin that will take time, money, and a determination to rebuild.
I hope that there won't be any more results of any more loss of life in the parish. It is something that is of concern to us, especially when we can't find those that have died. It breaks our hearts. The government is committed to work to bring the restoration to a point where people can be satisfied. But as I said before previously, it is going to take us some time. I'm here today and I tell you something, I am lost for words. I'm trying to figure out what has taken place. Not even the movies I see scenes such as this.
In St. Elizabeth, the devastation is deeply personal, even for those leading the recovery efforts. Mayor Richard Solomon has lost both his home and personal vehicle, but remains confident the parish can rebuild stronger.
We will ride the storm because we know that we are going to build back stronger and better. So thank you for giving the support. Thank you for taking our message and letting the world know what we are experiencing at this time. We truly appreciate it.
For anyone wishing to assist, donations can be made through the official government and relief agency channels. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.